Okay, so you want to make money on TikTok, huh? Well, you've come to the right place.
We've been doing a lot of research, on this whole TikTok monetization thing.
Yeah, we went deep down the rabbit hole, trying to figure out how people actually do it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, like how do you go from, you know, just messing around on the app to actually seeing some cash?
Exactly. So we're going to break it all down for you in this deep dive, from setting up your account to actually getting that sweet, sweet payout.
And it all starts with having a plan.
A plan. So it's not just about posting funny videos and hoping for the best.
I mean, viral videos can help, but it's way more than that. You got to be strategic about it.
So, like, what does that even mean, strategic?
Well, think about it like this. Why would someone pay you to be on TikTok?
Hmm. I guess because you have a lot of followers.
Yeah. And those followers are interested in something specific, that's your niche.
Okay, so, like, if I'm always posting about video games.
Then you've got a niche. And brands who want to reach those gamers will see the value in working with you.
So I could get paid to talk about video games. That's pretty cool.
It is cool. And that's where the TikTok Creator Fund comes in.
Oh, yeah, I've heard of that. But I've also heard it's kind of tough to get into.
It's not just about having a ton of followers, though that definitely helps. You've got to meet their guidelines and have consistent views.
Okay, so, like, what kind of guidelines are we talking about?
Stuff like making original content, following community rules, that kind of thing. And then you got to think about watch time.
Watch time.
Yeah, how long people actually watch your videos for. That's a big one for the algorithm, for the creator fund, everything really.
So a video with 1 million views, but everyone clicks off after 5 seconds.
Won't earn as much as a video with 500,000 views where people watch the whole thing.
Whoa, that's good to know. I never thought about it like that.
It's all about keeping people engaged, giving them a reason to stick around.
So it's not just about going viral. It's about making videos people actually want to watch.
Exactly. And once you've got that audience hooked, that's where things get really interesting.
You mean like brand deals? I see those all the time on TikTok.
Yeah, brand collaborations are a big part of monetization. It's basically when brands pay you to promote their products or services to your followers.
Makes sense. So like if I'm a fitness influencer.
A sportswear brand might want to partner with you to reach your audience of fitness enthusiasts.
So it's all about finding the right brands that align with my content and my audience.
Exactly. It's a win-win situation. The brand gets exposure to a targeted audience, and you get paid for your influence.
Sounds pretty sweet. But how do I actually find these brands? Do I just wait for them to come to me?
You can definitely wait for brands to reach out, but there are also platforms that connect influencers with brands for potential collaborations. You can also reach out to brands yourself if you think there's a good fit.
Oh, wow. So there's like a whole industry around this stuff.
There is. It's pretty wild, and it's not just limited to brand deals.
Really? What else is there?
Think merchandise, live gifting, affiliate marketing. The possibilities are endless.
Okay, hold on. Break that down for me. What's all that?
So merchandise is basically selling your own products. Like if you've got a catchy logo or a popular catchphrase, you could put it on t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, whatever, and sell it to your followers.
So like if I'm the dancing hamster guy.
You could sell dancing hamster t-shirts, and people would totally buy them.
That's pretty cool. What about the other stuff? Live gifting and affiliate marketing.
So live gifting is where viewers can send you virtual gifts during your live streams, and those gifts can be converted into real money.
Wait, so people just, like, give you money because they like you?
Pretty much. It's a way for viewers to show their appreciation and support, especially if you're providing them with good entertainment or valuable content.
That's wild. Okay. And affiliate marketing.
Affiliate marketing is where you promote someone else's products or services and earn a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link.
So, like, if I recommend a certain video game.
And people buy it through your link, you get a cut of the profit.
Man, there's a lot of ways to make money on TikTok, huh?
There really is. It's a whole ecosystem out there.
This is blowing my mind. Okay, so say I've been hustling, I'm making content, I'm getting brand deals, I'm raking in the dough. How do I actually get paid?
Good question. The most common methods are usually PayPal or direct bank transfer. But you gotta check TikTok's payment policies to see what's available in your region.
Right, because there might be fees and stuff. Gotta watch out for that.
Exactly. Always read the fine print.
So after all this research, what's the biggest takeaway for someone who wants to make money on TikTok?
I'd say it's a marathon, not a sprint. You gotta be patient, consistent, and strategic about your approach.
Yeah, and don't just chase the money. Chase creating good content, building a community, and the money will follow.
You got it. Focus on the content, engage with your audience, and be authentic. That's the recipe for success on TikTok. And remember, the landscape is always changing, so keep learning and adapting. Stay up to date with the latest trends and features, and don't be afraid to experiment.
Right. Never stop learning. Well, I think that about covers it for our deep dive on TikTok monetization. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me. It's been fun.
And to all you aspiring TikTok stars out there, go get them.
Good luck.